Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with immediate power and connection checks. This saves time. Unplug the power and HDMI cables now, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect firmly. This can clear handshake problems. If the power light is absent or flickering, try a different outlet and a known good cable. If the controller won't pair, switch to a wired USB. Once done, make sure the TV input is correct and that you test an alternate HDMI port or TV to isolate the issue. Now you move into reset and boot steps to fix software or display negotiation faults. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown, then restart. This clears transient firmware glitches. If the screen stays black, boot in low-resolution mode so the console uses a basic HDMI signal. This helps if resolution mismatches occur. Next, use maintenance options to clear cache, apply updates, or perform a non-destructive reset. These finish with hardware checks and escalation. If you're comfortable opening the Xbox, reset or test the internal storage. Faulty drives can halt boot and cause a black screen, otherwise skip this and go to software recovery. If all else fails, backup saves to the cloud, perform a factory reset, then reinstall updates from a USB to ensure clean system files. If problems persist, contact support and report the serial, exact symptoms, and each troubleshooting step you tried. This speeds repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.